Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most epic headphone showdowns of 2025, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra versus the Sony WH-1000XM5. Two ANC giants. Two premium experiences. One ultimate question: who wears the crown for noise-canceling supremacy? Headphone first up, let's talk about design and comfort. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra stays true to Bose's legacy: lightweight, super plush ear cups, and a refined finish. But Sony's WH-1000XM5 steps up with a sleek, minimalist design and an upgraded headband that feels ultra-premium. Both are ridiculously comfortable for long listening sessions, but there are key differences, and I'll break those down. Muted speaker, now the big one. Active noise cancellation. This is where it gets juicy. Bose has always been the ANC king, but Sony isn't backing down. The XM5 features dual noise sensor tech and a custom processor that adapts in real time. But Bose's QuietComfort Ultra introduces immersive audio mode and takes ANC to another level, especially in environments like airplanes or bustling cafes. Musical note sound quality. The XM5 delivers a warm, bass-rich sound signature that's perfect for casual listening and immersive music. Bose, on the other hand, focuses on balanced clarity, cleaner mids, and a slightly wider soundstage. Audiophiles may lean one way, but again, it depends on your listening style. Hammer and wrench, and let's not forget features. Sony gives you LDAC support, speak-to-chat, and multi-point connectivity. Bose brings spatial audio, Bluetooth 5.3, and a new personal EQ feature via the app. Mobile phone battery life? Both shine, with up to 30 hours on a full charge and fast charging support. Microphone mic quality for calls? We tested them both, and the results might surprise you. So, who wins the crown? If you're looking for next-level ANC with immersive spatial sound, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra is a strong contender. But if you want a more feature-rich, smart experience with richer sound dynamics, the Sony WH-1000XM5 might still be your go-to. But what do you think? Speech balloon, drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you Team Bose or Team Sony? And which one would you call the new ANC king? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a future headphone comparison, sound test, or audio gear review. Catch you in the next one.